A bridge has collapsed in Vadodara is what we're learning at this point in time. Vehicles fell inside the river. The bridge on Mahi Sagar River has collapsed. In fact, it had several cars on it the very moment it collapsed. 5 vehicles, including 2 trucks, rickshaw, and eco car, have fallen into this bridge. It's a bridge which is more than 4 decades old, is what we know at this point in time. This is the Gambhir Bridge, which collapsed on the Mahi Sagar River. Rescue operation is underway. Sketchy details at this point in time, but this is an old bridge. Take a look at those shocking pictures coming in which there is in fact also another truck which almost is going down as that bridge collapsed. It's an old bridge in Vadodara on the Mahi Sagar River, which has just collapsed. Rescue operation is underway. This is an old bridge, about 43 years old. 5 vehicles, including 2 trucks, rickshaw, and eco car, fell inside it. 5 people have been rescued, thankfully, is what we know. Operations are currently underway. It's a bridge in Vadodara which has collapsed. Several cars were on it when it collapsed. Take a look at this report.
वडोदरा के पास पादरा तहसील का गंभीरा ये ब्रिज है जो आज सुबह में ये गिर गया था। जो जानकारी मिल पाई है उसके मुताबिक इसमें 5 जितनी गाड़ियां महिसागर नदी में गिरी थी। अभी फिलहाल रेस्क्यू चल रहा है और एक के बाद एक लोगों को नदी से निकाला जा रहा है। फिलहाल जो जानकारी मिल पाई है उसके मुताबिक करीब 2 लोगों की इसमें मौत हो चुकी है और 5 से अधिक लोगों का रेस्क्यू किया गया है, लेकिन फिलहाल इसकी पुष्टि नहीं हो पा रही है कि कितनी लोगों की मौत हुई है। ये 50 साल से पुराना करीब ये ब्रिज है और ये करीब 2 साल पहले इस ब्रिज की मरम्मत के लिए भी बताया गया था, लेकिन इसमें कुछ भी नहीं हो पाया है। एनडीआरएफ की टीम और सब लोग यहाँ पे हैं। लोगों में काफी गुस्सा दिख रहा है। गुस्सा की वजह से यही है कि 2 साल पहले इनकी मरम्मत के लिए बोला गया था, लेकिन इसका कुछ भी हुआ नहीं और आज ये बड़ा हादसा हो गया। दिग्विजय पाठक, बड़ोदरा।
Of the Gambhira Bridge, which has collapsed over the Mahi Sagar River. These are horrific pictures coming in of the bridge completely split into half, as you can see on your screens at this point in time with the police examining. There you have it. The bridge split into half. A truck is almost going down at the edge, literally, and there are several cars fallen into the river. Bridge on the Mahi Sagar River has collapsed. Several cars on it the moment it collapsed. We also know that the vehicles that have fallen into the river includes 2 trucks and 2 vans. Rescue teams have pulled out 4 people to safety. Operations are underway to locate others who could be trapped. It's a major tragedy. It's a 43-year-old Gambhira bridge over the Mahi Sagar River in Vadodara which has come down. The bridge connected Padra in Vadodara district to Anand and has been in a dilapidated condition, 40 years and counting. It's a very old bridge. Death of 4 individuals have been confirmed, is what we know. The people who are being rescued alive, essentially the rescue operations are currently underway. There were at least 6 vehicles, could be more, that plunged into the river when the bridge gave way. Rescue operations are ongoing as officials continue to search for remaining victims. Several cars have fallen into the river. The incident occurred near the Mujpur village. This is, in fact, in Vadodara. All the vehicles plunged immediately into the flowing Mahi Sagar River. Rescue efforts began with locals who quickly gathered at the site. Some locals have also, we understand, entered the river to assist in the rescue operations. Look at these pictures right now of that very old bridge in a dilapidated condition which has come down. It gave way pulling down several cars with it, which have fallen into a river. Car that fell, 5 people were rescued. The bridge is 43 years old, is what we know. The Gambhir Bridge on the Mahi Sagar River has come down. In fact, villagers indicating that they had given several warnings about this bridge being in a very bad condition. However, vehicles continue to ply on it. Finally, the bridge has given way today, leading to this horrific accident in which several cars plunged into the flowing river, as you can see. At least 4 vehicles fell into the river. 5 people have been rescued. Casualties are feared. Atul is getting in more details on that story at this point in time. Atul, क्या बता सकते हैं आप? What has happened here in Vadodara? I understand कि villagers का complaint भी था कि ये bridge बहुत ही खराब हालत में है. It's in a dilapidated condition. However, vehicles continue to ply on it. What more can you tell us?
देखिए 1981 में आणंद से वडोदरा को जोड़ने वाला ये गंभीरा ब्रिज बनने की शुरुआत हुई थी और 1985 में व्हीकल्स के लिए ये ब्रिज को खोला गया था। यानी कि लगभग 40 साल से भी अधिक पुराना ये ब्रिज है और जो हैवी व्हीकल्स हैं उनकी भी आवाजाही इस ब्रिज से लगातार जारी थी। विपक्ष की तरफ से जिस प्रकार की बातें कही जा रही हैं कि साल 2017 से ही इस ब्रिज को लेकर उनकी तरफ से एक आवेदन भी दिया गया था और लगातार यानी पिछले साल भी स्थानीय लोगों का दावा है कि उन्होंने इस ब्रिज पर विरोध भी किया था और इस ब्रिज पर कई सारे गड्ढे भी थे और ये ब्रिज इस ब्रिज से जब भी हैवी व्हीकल्स गुजरते थे तब ये ब्रिज वाइब्रेट भी होता था। तो लगातार यही मांग स्थानीय लोगों की और विपक्ष की भी रही थी कि जो हैवी व्हीकल्स हैं उनके लिए ये ब्रिज को बंद कर दिया जाए। लेकिन मध्य गुजरात के लिए ये ब्रिज बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और अगर आणंद से वडोदरा होते हुए वापी, वलसाड़, सूरत की तरफ अगर यानी कि दक्षिण गुजरात की तरफ जाना है तो ये ब्रिज बहुत ही अहम साबित होता है क्योंकि इस ब्रिज का अगर इस्तेमाल ना किया जाए तो 40 से 50 किलोमीटर घूमकर व्हीकल्स को दक्षिण गुजरात की तरफ जाना होता है। यानी इस ब्रिज पर न सिर्फ टू व्हीलर या नॉर्मल व्हीकल्स लेकिन हैवी जो व्हीकल्स हैं उनकी भी आवाजाही बहुत ही सामान्य थी और काफी लोगों की आवाजाही दिन भर में रहती थी। आज सुबह जब 8:30 बजे ये हादसा हुआ तो 5
accident that you're tracking from Vadodara there.